In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the merciful. Welcome to the Islamic Idea channel. Today we will discuss how Allah says in Quran regarding deep seas and internal waves. Allah says in Quran, or the unbelievers state is like the darkness in a deep sea. It is covered by waves, above which are waves, above which are clouds, darkness one above another. If a man stretches out his hand, he cannot see it. The reference is Quran, Surah number 24, ayat number 40. This verse mentions the darkness found in deep seas and oceans. The darkness in deep seas and oceans is found around a depth of 200 meters and below, where there is almost no light. Below a depth of 1000 meters, there is no light at all. Allah mentions another information in the following parts of these words. In a deep sea, it is covered by waves, above which are waves, above which are clouds. It is mentioned that the deep waters of seas and oceans are covered by waves, and above these waves are other waves. It is clear that the second set of waves that are mentioned here are surface waves that we can see, because the verse mentions that above the second waves there are clouds. But this verse also mentions the waves in the deep sea. Scientists have recently discovered that there are internal waves which cover the deep waters of seas and oceans, because the deep waters have a higher density than the waters above them, just like surface waves. Internal waves can also break, but internal waves cannot be seen by the human eye. They can only be detected by studying temperature or salinity changes at a given location. The Quran about the proportion of rain. According to Quran, rain is sent down to earth in due measures. It is He who sends down water in due measure from the sky, by which we bring a dead land back to life. That is how you too will be raised from the dead. The Quran says, Surah number 43, ayat number 11. Modern science has discovered this measured quantity of rain. It is estimated that is 1 second approximately 16 million tons of water evaporates from the earth. This figure amounts to 513 trillion tons of water in 1 year. This number is equal to the amount of rain falls on the earth in a year. This means that water continuously circulates in a balanced cycle in a measure. Life on earth depends on this water cycle. Even a minor deviation in this equilibrium would very soon give rise to the major ecological imbalance that would bring about the end of life on earth. The Quran on human embryonic development. Allah says in Quran, we created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement, firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaka, leech, suspended thing, and blood clot. Then we made chewed substance. The reference is Quran, Surah number 23, ayat number 12 to 14. Literally, the Arabic word alaka means a leech, suspended thing, and blood clot. In comparing a leech to an embryo in the alaka stage, we find similarity between the two, as we know that the embryo at this stage obtains nourishment from the blood of the mother. Similar to the leech which feeds on the blood of others, the second meaning of the word alaka is suspended thing. The embryo seems like it is suspended during the alaka stage, about 15 days old. In the womb of the mother, we also find that the external appearance of the embryo during the alaka stage is similar to that of a blood clot. Scientists have only recently discovered this using advanced equipment and powerful microscopes, which did not exist at the time Quran revealed. The identity in the fingerprint. Allah says in Quran, "Yes, we are able to put together in perfect order the very tips of his fingers." The reference is Quran, Surah number 75, ayat number 3 and 4. In this ayah, the emphasis on fingerprints has a very special meaning. This is because everyone's fingerprint is unique to himself. Every person who is alive or who has ever lived in this world has a set of unique fingerprints. But the importance of fingerprints was only discovered in the late 19th century. Before then, people regarded fingerprints as ordinary curves without any specific importance or meaning. However, in the Quran, Allah points to the fingerprints, which did not attract anyone's attention at the time. Now the importance of fingerprints is finally understood in our day. Thanks for watching.